In this video, we will be exploring operating system from two viewpoints, and we can say it as the user view and the system view. So basically what we mean by the view is just that we will be exploring operating system, seeing operating system from two different viewpoints. Point of views are considered different. So what does a user want from an operating system and how he interprets and what is his point of view is the user view. The goal of the operating system is to maximize the work and minimize the effort of the user. So this is very simple thing that the user wants, that the operating system should maximize the work output and minimize the effort of the user himself, right? So second is, most of the systems are designed to be operated by single user. However, in some systems, multiple users can share resources and memory. So it's very clear from what it's written over here that most of the systems are made to be used by single user. They are single user systems. However, in case it is to be used by multiple users, they are accordingly designed and can be used by multiple users, leading to sharing of resources and memory. So when an operating system is used by multiple users, the memory as well as the resources are shared, right? In these cases, operating system is designed to handle available resources among multiple users and CPU efficiently. So now when multiple users are there for one system, the system is basically this way designed that it can handle the available resources among those multiple users, and it also uses the CPU efficiently. Because multiple users will be there, then the CPU utilization has to be handled efficiently, otherwise there will be a critical stage, a catastrophic stage, right? So the system is already designed to handle it and the CPU efficiently in cases of multiple users. Third, operating system must be designed by taking both usability and efficient resource utilization into view. So as we said in the second point, that the resources are very crucial point. They have to be used very efficiently, and the usability of the system is to be considered while designing the operating system. So basically what a user wants is that his work should be made easier and he should be helped by designing something such as an operating system. So these are the points which a user wants, user expects from an operating system, right? Fourth point, in embedded systems, what are embedded systems? Basically they are automated systems, right? User view is not present. The systems which are automated, which user is not going to do for, right? They do not have a user view. For example, embedded computers in home devices and automobiles may have numeric keypad and turn indicator lights on and off to indicate the status. So in those examples, we have seen that they must be having like a numeric keyboard is there. For example, it won't be having any user view. It will just be indicating the lights on or off or something like that. So in these examples, the user view is missing. So these are the automated systems. So if anybody asks you that how many views are present in automated systems or embedded systems, the user view is not present. Okay, so the next point, operating system gives an effect to the user as if processor is dealing only with the current task, but in background processor is dealing with several processors. So what we mean by this is that an operating system wants that the user wants that the operating system should only be dealing with that sole user, that there is nobody else the operating system is involved with. This is what a user view is, right? So this is what an operating system does. It does not let the user at all feel that he is not the sole user. It just do his work as if he is the only user. But in actual reality, in the background, processor is dealing with several of the other processes, right? So the next that view we are gonna do is the system view. So this is what a system sees an operating system as. What is the system's point of view, right? So the first point, from the system point of view, operating system is a program involved with the hardware, right? So what the operating system is thinking, or what is its viewpoint, that the operating system is somebody who is involved with the hardware. As we said that operating system is an interface between the hardware and the software, right? So the system says that okay, it is a program that is involved with the hardware. Second point, OS is allocator which allocates memory resources among various processes. It controls the sharing of resources among programs. So what the system is saying that okay, operating system is an allocator. What it means by is that allocator will be allocating memory and resources among various processes, and it will control the sharing of those resources among the programs. This is what the system knows about the operating system, right? Third point, it prevents improper usage, error and deadlock conditions. So as we have done in the functions of operating system, the previous videos, we know that the operating system controls the deadlock conditions and error in handling also. So a system is saying that operating system will control the improper usage, error handling and deadlock conditions. This is the system's viewpoint, that operating system should be doing these things, right? Next is, it is a program that runs all the time in the system in the form of kernel. So like these points the user won't bother, right? User don't know that where is my operating system and how it is working. But the system is very much conscious about what is happening in the operating system. So the system is saying that operating system is a program that runs all the time in the system in the form of kernel, right? So the next point is, fifth point, that is, it controls application programs that are not part of kernel. So what it is saying, that it also controls the application programs. Application programs I just told you, the compiler, assembler, text editor, which were the examples. Those are not present in the kernel, are also controlled by the operating system, right? So these are the points which a system point of view consists for the operating system, right?